Hey fellas,
Streaming services, we all have one or five.
but have you ever wondered that the platform we watch the most is the one that defines our personality? Don't worry, I'm here to roast all of us
Equally. Netflix users are the pseudo-intellectuals of the streaming world.
You first watch a 10-part documentary on World War II and then justify watching Squid Game as a way to better understand the human psyche and the cultural challenges of another part of the world. What? I'm just broadening my horizons. You're just a hypocrite. Disney Plus users, they live in a perpetual state of nostalgia. You've got grown-ass adults crying over Pixar movies and singing along to princess anthems.
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, turn away and slam the door.
Guys, you're either watching Baby Yoda or watching Marvel superheroes save the world. Pardon the universe now. They wake up every morning hoping their life will be as magical as their favorite Disney scene. Psst, psst. Spoiler, it won't. Oh yeah, Crunchyroll fans. Oh, you don't know them, the nerds. Alright, I understand. You spend watching 20-minute episodes that are actually 20 minutes of screaming and 2 minutes of plots. Come on, please, wake up.
ありったけの夢をかき集め探し物を探しに行くのさ One Piece!
Oh, and let's not forget, subtitles are your king, and you're proud of it. Why? So you know more Japanese than you know, I don't know, life? And you're okay with that? So here's the thing. Some of you are all in on one platform only. But let's be real. Most of us want everything, right? Netflix for drama, Disney Plus for nostalgia, Crunchyroll for animes, and so on and so forth. So that our life is less disappointing.